Hello and welcome back. So today is going to be a get ready with me video featuring my latest palette, the Urban Decay Born to Run. This is not a new palette though. It's been around a really long time, but I'm glad I finally got it. I got it with Ulta points. I'll link that haul if you're interested. So yeah, I am pretty excited. I want to do a look with this blue shade here, so let's get into it. I already have my Milani eyeshadow primer on and I set it with just a little bit of cream shade. I'm gonna go with a tiny bit of this peach still shot. I've used this color a lot since I got this palette and I really like it. Now I'm going to go with this brown here, Riff. The colors in this blend so easily. I know not that long ago I said I did not like the Urban Decay formula, but this is much better than the formula in the Naked palettes, which is what I had tried before. I really think that they have improved their formula quite a bit, so I am very impressed. Although I will say that the shimmers, some of them are more metallic than others. Like this one is more of a satin, but like this one is super metallic and that one is super metallic. I haven't used these two yet, but so far I'm impressed, and the mattes blend really easily. I'm gonna go with a tiny bit of this dark brown here. So let's go with this lid shade here, Big Sky. I'm really excited to use this color. Hopefully it's as beautiful as it looks. Wow, that's really nice. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so this is one of the more metallic ones. I'm not like wetting my brush or anything. I am really impressed with this blue. I love it. So now I'm just gonna mix a bit of Still Shot and this brown just to kind of blend it all out. Yeah, I'm so happy with this. I really like this palette. I'm so late to the game, but that's what I've been doing lately. I've been trying not to buy things when they first release and like really think about it. I mean, this palette has been out for a while. I'm using this brow bone highlight. Yeah, so I'm really trying to resist releases the second that they come out. And I think that's good. I think that's helped, although, you know, I'm still buying stuff, but plus getting this with Ulta points, that helps. I went ahead and did some winged liner, and I'm gonna use my e.l.f. primer. I really do still like this, and I talked about in my Ulta 21 Days of Beauty video, I am tempted to repurchase the Smashbox one when it's on sale. But they're so similar, I don't know. Sometimes I wonder, do I like the higher end one just because it's higher end? I don't know. Because when it comes to the actual functionality of it, they seem the same. So since I finished my Too Faced foundation, I've most often actually been using this AOA BB cream. This is really nice. It's more coverage than I thought it would be. I mean, it's definitely not a lot of coverage, but I really enjoy this product. Was like, oh, I wonder if it's gonna break me out, you know? Doesn't, so I've used it quite a bit. Going in with my e.l.f. concealer, and this is so full coverage. Part of me's been kind of wanting to just like try a lighter coverage concealer, just because this is a lot. And I feel like I don't need this much coverage every day, but I do really like it. I feel like I have a line on my face here from sleeping. Well. I don't need that much from the foundation. Setting my face with my Milani powder. This is in my Finish 13 by Halloween Project Pan, and I'm getting good use out of it. I really like it. And I do feel like this kind of adds some coverage too. I mean, you can see here like pinkness hanging out, but I have to finish the concealer. I'm going to bronze with Becca Capri Coast. This was a deluxe size that I got with my Afterglow Sunset palette that I ordered from Nordstrom. they gave some really nice free samples. I feel like honestly, compared to what you get at Sephora or even Ulta, department stores give way better like free samples. Like when I've bought Lancome perfume for my mom, the samples you get with that are crazy good. There was like a half fluid ounce of primer and blush, and it's crazy. Although the department stores don't usually have like the point system, obviously, like Ulta, but yeah, I think we all know that the point system at Sephora is kind of a joke. Yeah, I think we all know that the point system at Sephora is kind of a joke. I really like this bronzer. It looks like it has shimmer in it, but on the face, it just kind of looks satin. It's really, really nice. If I ever finish this, I would actually buy the full size. You would have seen in my Ulta haul that I did buy this Ofra blush, which was on sale. This is Mai Tai, and I have been hearing people talk about this blush for so long that I was really excited to see it on sale. Clearly they're trying to get rid of this old packaging because they changed to the white packaging. I feel like I still have like a lot of redness here, but it's fine. I think less full coverage is better overall. For highlighter, I want to use this Urban Decay in Sin. This was in my Shop My Stash maybe a week or two ago. I don't even remember, but this highlighter is so pretty. I did think it was discontinued at one point because it's not at Ulta or Sephora, but it is on Urban Decay and it's at Macy's actually. It's so weird to me how brands sell. I mean, I get why they do it, but how they sell certain products at Macy's, some at Sephora, some at Ulta. I get why they do it, but honestly, it's annoying. I'm going to use the Essence Pure Nude as kind of a finishing powder. I really like this Morphe brush, by the way, the M500. It's like a really unique shape. It works very well for finishing powder, but you could also use it for face powder or under eye powder because it's kind of tapered. It's a really nice brush. I went ahead and did my brows, and I'm going to work on the lower lash line. I kind of want to do a smokier one, so I want to use this black eyeliner. I'm just going to grab any dark brown eyeshadow. I'm just going to go with this from the Mini Nude palette just to smoke that out. Okay, I added black eyeliner. I smoked that out. Time for a little mascara. I'm still using the Clump Crusher. This is a really, really good mascara. I wish it had a bit more volume, but it's quite good. For lips, I'm going to use two new lip products. Yes, so I recently placed a ColourPop order and I got another one of their lip liners. This formula is so nice. I got BFF, which is a nude. I got one thing at the Sephora VIB sale. I got a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, and I've said for a long time I'm gonna get one of these. I got Bitch Perfect, which is a peachy nude. I've already used this several times, and I can go ahead and tell you this is overrated. I'm not gonna return it. This is a lesson to myself, but honestly, this is such a mediocre lipstick. I can't believe it. I mean, it's not bad by any means. I don't know. I've worn it several times. It gets a bit dry during the day, and this is like their creamier formula. Bitch Perfect is one of the creamier ones. It's not one of the Matte Revolution. I don't know. I think my hopes were set too high. I was expecting too much. You know, it's an expensive product. Yeah, I expected too much. It's my own fault, but yeah, I don't want to buy more of them. I will say BFF is a bit lighter than I thought it would be. I was hoping it would be a bit darker nude. This is the problem with ordering online. And I really wish that Ulta carried the lippy pencils, but they don't. I feel like Ulta doesn't usually have the newer products from ColourPop, although this is not new. This has been around a long time. So anyway, I do really like that formula. The lipstick, I know I bitched about it a lot. Sorry. But yeah, I mean, Bitch Perfect is a really pretty color. So the color is really nice. It's a peachy color. I really do like it. And I'm glad I bought a more nude shade because that's what I would wear more often. And you know, with 30 something dollars, although at least the VIB sale, it was $30 instead of 34. A big whoop, I know. But one more complaint. Sorry, but I'm just being honest. I really expected a lot from such an expensive product, which again, it's my own fault, but it's like really hard to twist up. It's like really, you got to put in a lot of effort, and I just find that strange. It's fine. I should stop complaining. The color is beautiful, and lesson learned, stick with ColourPop lipsticks. Alrighty, so that is it for this look. I love the eyeshadow look. This palette has really blown me away. I'm glad I eventually got it. I do like the rest of the makeup, and I do like the way this lip color looks. Again, I just think that the Charlotte Tilbury, I expected more. It's not as amazing as I thought it would be, which is what happens when you put something up on a pedestal, I guess. So really love this eyeshadow though, and I've gotten so many great looks from this palette. I've posted several other looks on my Instagram. So yeah, it's great. So that is it for this video. Let me know what you think. And do you have this palette? And were you also underwhelmed by Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks? Thank you for watching.